Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about the smile trick that actually works. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. I'm going to be showing you a very simple smile trick, and I believe that it truly actually works. Okay, it's really easy to do. And this helps for a wide variety of reasons. Now, I'm not going to say that this will make your smile better, okay? Because I truly believe that every smile is a good smile. No matter how your smile looks, it's a good smile and it's going to look great, okay? But what I will say is this will make your smile be more likely to look more authentic and more natural. Not necessarily better, just more of a natural, authentic, sort of like more of an authentic smile. Some would say more of a genuine smile, but even if you don't look like this, you're probably smiling genuinely from the bottom of your heart. Your smile is probably a real smile. So it's not going to make it look like a more genuine smile. That's not what I believe, but more of like a natural smile. Okay, think about it like that. So what's the trick? I'm going to stop beating around the bush. I'm going to tell you what the trick is. Okay, that's a bad habit of mine. Instead of saying I say ein. I've noticed that many years ago, and I don't know. I feel like it's something that happens when I'm trying to rush my speaking. So I'm going to slow it down, and I'm going to show you the exact trick. Okay, so here is the simple smile trick. I'm going to show it to you right now. So basically, when you're smiling, what you want to do, the trick is very simple. It is to pretend to laugh. So I'll give you an example. Here's me just sort of like forcing a smile. Okay, I'm forcing a smile, and then I'm going to pretend to laugh from that forced smile. And this is what it's going to look like. Here's my forced smile, and then I'm going to pretend to laugh. Now, as you can see, when I pretend to laugh, it looks more natural, right? It looks like it's more of a natural smile. And this is good, and it's a trick for a couple of reasons. First and foremost, when people see your smile looking more natural, they're going to perceive it in a better way. Like I said, I'm not saying it makes your smile better, because your smile is going to be great no matter what it looks like. But when people perceive it as looking more natural, they're probably going to perceive it more highly in terms of like if you're smiling at someone, they're going to view it as like not a better smile, but like a better reaction to them. So if you're smiling at someone because you want to give them a positive, emotion, they're going to perceive it as a better reaction. Not a better smile, but a better reaction to them, because it just looks more natural when you do that fake laugh. Also, okay, in pictures, it ends up looking like it makes you more photogenic. It allows you to be a bit more photogenic in terms of pictures, because the smile looks more natural. So it's very simple. Now I do want to say this. If you're smiling and you want to try this out and you fake laugh, right? You probably don't want to like actually laugh when you're not supposed to be laughing, because then maybe if you're not supposed to be laughing and you fake the laugh and you make the sound of the fake laugh, then people will be like, well, why is this person laughing? So you can fake laugh without actually making the sound. It's going to go exactly like this. So basically, I'm going to do a forced smile, and then I'm going to fake laugh without making the sound. I did the sound a little bit, but I mean, if there was other people talking, you probably wouldn't hear it, okay? And what happens is you get into the habit of doing it naturally. So whenever I smile for pictures now, I'm able to do that smile trick without laughing. So I'll just smile for pictures like this. And as you can see, it looks like I'm using the trick. But I'm not actually fake laughing. I'm not actually laughing. I'm just able to just use the trick. And that's after years of practice. And I wish I could remember who told me to laugh in pictures, because it looks a little bit more natural. I don't remember. I feel like it was one of my parents, my mom or my dad, maybe. They said just laugh. I'm not sure. But the fact of the matter is that it works. It does allow your smile and my smile to look a bit more natural, and it's just a little trick. So the trick is very simple. Whenever you are smiling, if you want to make it look a little bit more natural and maybe be perceived better in terms of like a better, be perceived as a better reaction, not a better smile. Like I said, your smile is always going to be a good smile. So it's not that it makes your smile better, but people will perceive it as you reacting better to them. If you're smiling at someone, or if you're laughing at someone, or if you're whatever, just trying to send a positive emotion to someone, it'll be perceived as like a better reaction when it looks like more of a natural smile. So yeah, if you want to have those things, and you want to use this trick, all you have to do is just practice it. Smile and then pretend to laugh. And it just produces a more natural looking smile. It's a little trick. And it's literally that simple. And that's basically it. I've got nothing else to say for this video other than I hope that you've enjoyed it. So yeah, with nothing else to say for this video other than I hope that you've enjoyed it, we're going to roll the outro. So without further ado, here is the official outro for this specific video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.